back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of fabulous outdoor garden living design and 10 tips for creating perfect living area for dining, entertaining, and relaxing ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Outdoor garden living has become a popular trend in modern home design. It refers to the practice of designing and using outdoor spaces as an extension of the home's interior. Outdoor living spaces are commonly used for dining, entertaining, and relaxing. With the right design and setup, your outdoor living space can become your favorite spot in your home. Outdoor living refers to the concept of using outdoor spaces for a variety of activities, from cooking and dining to relaxing and entertaining. It involves designing an outdoor space that is functional and comfortable, with the same amenities and features that you would find in an indoor living area. What is an outdoor living space called? An outdoor living space can have various names, depending on the design and functionality. Some common names for outdoor living spaces include patio, deck, veranda, terrace, balcony, and porch. Why do people do outdoor living? People enjoy outdoor living for several reasons. It allows them to spend more time in nature, relax in a tranquil setting, and entertain guests in a unique and appealing environment. Outdoor living also provides an opportunity to create an extension of the home's interior and add value to the property. What do I need for outdoor living? To create the perfect outdoor living space, you will need some essential elements, including comfortable seating, a dining area, lighting, and shading. Other optional features include fire pits, outdoor kitchens, and water features. Here these the top 10 best outdoor garden living ideas. 1. Create an outdoor living room with a comfortable sofa and chairs. 2. Add a dining area with a table and chairs for alfresco dining. 3. Install an outdoor kitchen with a grill, refrigerator, and sink. 4. Create a cozy ambience with outdoor lighting, such as string lights or lanterns. 5. Incorporate plants and flowers to add color and fragrance. 6. Install a pergola or canopy for shading and privacy. 7. Add a water feature, such as a fountain or a pond, to create a peaceful atmosphere. 8. Install a fire pit or fireplace for warmth and ambience. 9. Use outdoor rugs and pillows to add comfort and style. 10. Hang outdoor artwork or sculptures to add a personal touch. Outdoor garden living is a great way to add value and comfort to your home. By designing a functional and comfortable outdoor space, you can create an extension of your indoor living area and enjoy nature in the comfort of your own home. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of fabulous outdoor garden living design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.